Hello everyone, how's it going? I'm Programmer Yam, and today we are going to talk about how to use the user input to get the values from the user. So we have talked about the printf. What is printf? It is combination of print and format, and it is defined in std output. So now we are going to talk about then we have output. So what is input? So this one, scanf. I wrote a simple program here, and I will read in 3 scores, and I will calculate the total score and calculate the average score, and the average score will be a double like this. Okay, so here we use scanf to get user input. So how to get user input, we will see later. So yeah, here you may see this, the scanf and printf may have some may share some similar format, but here you can see here I use the string and I say, oh yes, I use %d. So now the computer knows that you are going to read in an integer. So here you must tell the computer then that, okay, I read in an integer. So where this integer should be put into. So yes, here we are going to put this integer into the score1 variable. So but here, hey, this is a unknown symbol. I don't know how to pronounce this symbol, but yeah, we haven't talked about this symbol yet. But just a reminder that you just have to remember this symbol when you use scanf, and in the other maybe 1 month or 2 months later, we will talk about what is this symbol means, and the moment you know what is this symbol means, and you will know why we need this symbol. Okay, so I put 3 scanf to read in 3 scores. So let's try to compile this program and see how it works. Okay, so it asks you to input 3 scores. Okay, so I've input 60, 80, and 100. So here you can see I used 3 lines of scanf, but I put my input in 1 line. Why I can do this? Because the scanf will stop at a white space. White space, yes, for white space, yeah, white space. The input, it knows how the scanf need to know when to stop reading input. So a white space or a tab or a new line. So a new line. One thing to remind you is that the new line is not equal to the enter button in your computer. A new line is just the \n. It's not the enter in your computer. So don't mess it up. Okay. So you can see I separate the 3 scores with 2 white space, and here I can push enter. Okay, I push enter. So yeah, it calculates the total score and it calculates the average score. So here, let me try again. How if we input our 3 scores in 3 lines? So we can do this: 60 and push 1 enter, 80 1 enter, and 100 1 enter. Yeah, it works again. So yeah, because the first time you put enter, the first scanf read in the 60 and then it waits for the next input. So what about if you just put a lot of enter? So it doesn't like the program is working. So yeah, if you like just press a lot of enter, the program is just waiting for you to input some valid input for it. And I have to say, scanf is not a very safe way to read user input, because it will have some indefinite unexpected behavior if we give it some strange input like this. You can see here, I want to accept decimal integer, but if I give it A, B, C, and as we know, the characters follows the ASCII code. But now you can see, if you give it A, B, C, it will just give you a mess up. It will just give you a garbage, garbage. So when you want to use scanf, please just use the printf and tell the user that what he or she have to input. Is she going to input an integer or a character or a floating point or something else? So yeah, so just remember, don't give your computer a very strange input. Okay, so here I can show you that this three line can be combined in one line. Just make it look like this. Okay, okay, so this line is just the same as the three line about 1 minute ago. So yeah, we can compile it again and see how it really is it work. Yeah, it will work. So this three lines just like the same like the former three line of scanf. Okay, so if you are really you feel really unsure how to use the scanf function, then you can see here. This is we mentioned this page before, this website before in the last video, and you can see here the format specifiers look like this. We have percent symbol and the width, length, and the specifier. And specifier here we use D to read integer. We use F to read decimal floating point, and we use C to read characters. And this S we will talk it some lessons later, and we will know how to use the %S to read in a string. So yeah, this is all for today. So if you like my video, please help me to press the like button, and if you want to receive this kind of short videos about the programming languages, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have something to say to me, want to tell me, or you found that I just explained something wrong, please just complain. Not complain. No. Just comment below my video, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So yeah, it's all for today. So hope to see you next time. Bye.